then. They want me now, did not want me to win. But now they proud, now they paying to get in. They in the crowd, tell me how's the view now, tell me how's the view now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being subscribed to my channel. If you're new and you're stopping by to check me out, I hope you guys do like, comment, and also subscribe. If so, welcome to the family. Okay. If you like this look, make sure you guys stay tuned to this video because I will be showing you how I did this look. Just the eyeshadows, everything else is like pretty much off camera, but yeah, if you like this look, make sure you guys stay tuned into this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, we're gonna get to this video. I'm not going to be doing much talking in this video, only because it's a quick and easy, self-explanatory video. I will be showing you the colors that I will be using. If you have any questions, comments, anything, leave the comments down in the comment section down below, and I will be answering all questions. If you want to know anything about this video, just leave a commentary, and I'll definitely leave the answer down below. But hope you enjoyed this video. So I did do my foundation off camera, and what else? My eyelashes off camera, only because I feel like you guys seen me do that numerous of times, so y'all didn't really care to see me put my foundation on. So I did put my eyeshadow on camera and did the rest off camera. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys do like it. I like it. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but I'm teaching myself, and it's coming out pretty cute to me. But yeah, this is the finished look. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell that's like down here somewhere below, so that you get all my videos that get uploaded. It ain't, sis, it ain't much to hit the notification bell. It ain't much. It ain't. So just hit that little bell so that you get all my notification little thingy things when I upload a video. And if you like this hairstyle, I did do this hairstyle on camera, and it will be uploaded. I don't know if this one is going to be uploaded first or the hair is going to be uploaded first, but make sure you stay tuned. That's why I'm telling y'all to put y'all notification thingy on, so that y'all get all my videos that get uploaded. You know, sis? Like, you won't miss a video. Like, and let me show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna do a try on haul. I don't know, but I'm gonna do one. But let me show y'all my outfit though, cause I don't ever show y'all my outfit. Okay. All right, sis. I need some booty, but I'm cute. But yeah, that's my outfit for today. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so that you get all my videos that get uploaded. And I will be leaving my links to all my social medias down below and somewhere on the screen. So stay on the lookout for that. And until next time, bye.
They don't want me then, they want me now. Did not want me to win, but now they proud. Now